Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about an extraordinary nutrient that's only found in animal foods. But even non-vegetarians can have levels below what they need for optimal health. You see, your muscles are loaded with a substance called carnitine, and it plays a very important role in muscle health and exercise recovery. Additionally, it plays an important role in transporting fats across your cell's mitochondrial membranes so they can use it to produce energy. You see, as you age, your carnitine levels typically decline. Since your mitochondria rely and depend upon carnitine to get the fat inside them, insufficient carnitine levels can lead to a decrease in your mitochondrial energy levels. Now, this is important because it can contribute to cellular aging and can negatively impact your brain, heart, and muscles. And since the majority of the population are metabolically inflexible and simply unable to seamlessly switch between burning fats and carbs as their primary fuel, most people are candidates for carnitine supplementation to help improve their mitochondrial function. Now, another important group that could benefit would be those who choose to avoid eating animal products for whatever reason, since animals are the only source for carnitine. Now, I believe nearly everyone who limits or avoids animal foods could benefit from carnitine supplementation. Now, another group that could benefit are those who are over 55, since typically a decline in muscle mass and function begins to occur around that age. And finally, a benefit for all age groups is that carnitine helps decrease the production of free radicals that can increase cellular aging. This is why I developed our Karnitin Komplex, which is a unique combination of two clinically proven forms of carnitine, pure L-karnitin and acetil-L-karnitin. By combining both of these forms of carnitine, you can benefit from each of their individual strengths. L-karnitin is the biologically active form of carnitine that offers important mitochondrial support in energy-hungry tissues and organs like your heart, brain, and muscles. Acetil-L-karnitin helps move fat molecules across the mitochondrial membrane so they can cross your blood-brain barrier to provide energy directly to your brain cells to help support cognitive functions. So if you fall into one of the groups that are at risk for carnitine deficiency, I hope you will consider supplementing with our advanced Karnitin Komplex today to help you take control of your health.